guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with a curly hair routine. First off, I start with detangling my hair. I normally use some kind of detangling spray, which is like the Mix Kids Kinky Curls. I'll link everything down in the description down below. But this day I just hopped in the shower and just was like, oh snap, I totally forgot to brush out my hair. So let me do that right now. So I'm just combing all the tangles out of my hair. I am also starting from the ends of my hair to get the tangles out. I comb it from the roots, that way it won't be so hard to get out my tangles. And then of course I am rinsing my hair. And I am using the Dr. Bronzer soap. I actually like using this soap to cleanse my hair, just to get out all the product out. Just, you know, I really want some fresh, clean hair. And then I use some olive oil shampoo, which I normally just get my roots. I don't really get my ends. When I rinse my hair, that's when I let the soap rinse through my ends, and that's what washes the ends of my hair. Next, I use this deep treatment mask from SheaMoisture. Absolutely love this mask. It is like wonders, definitely repairs damaged hair. And here I am using the Cantu conditioner. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But yeah, I am just using that all in my hair. And then I go ahead and I rinse that with cold water, okay? And now I am just going to wrap my hair with a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt, you know, because our hair is fragile. Want to take good care of it. Causes less damage as well compared to a regular towel. So let's get started on the styling. Here I am just removing my t-shirt off my hair, and I am about to put some coconut oil on my hair. I love using a coconut oil. And then I'm going to go and use my SheaMoisture Curl and Style Milk. I actually love this. It's like really good protein for your hair. And then I go ahead and I use my curl enhancing smoothie. Helps styles your curls. So this is where the styling part comes in. I pretty much just like to run my fingers through my hair. As you can tell, I have not used the comb one time. And then after that, I go ahead and I use some oil Sheen, spray that all over my hair to get that beautiful shine. here is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.